Encountering a device cannot be activated error on Total Wireless. This usually stems from three main issues: IMEI problems, SIM card incompatibility, or account verification failures. First, the IMEI, or International Mobile Equipment Identity, is a unique identifier for your phone. If your device's IMEI is blocked because it was reported lost or stolen, is still under a payment plan with another carrier, or is simply incompatible with Total Wireless's network, it cannot be activated. Total Wireless now uses real-time IMEI checks against databases like the GSMA to prevent activation of blacklisted devices. Secondly, your SIM card must be compatible with Verizon's LTE 5G bands, as Total Wireless operates on their network. An old, damaged, or improperly activated SIM card will cause issues. Lastly, activation is tied to your Total Wireless account, so ensure your account is active with sufficient balance and accurate personal information. Begin troubleshooting by checking your device's IMEI status using the Total Wireless app or website. This free tool will confirm if your IMEI is valid for activation. Next, verify your SIM card is correctly inserted and undamaged. If it's faulty, replace it for about a $10 fee to ensure compatibility. Confirm your Total Wireless account has sufficient funds, at least $10 minimum, and that all personal details match your records. If issues persist, contact Total Wireless support via phone at 1-866-897-7493 or online chat. Be ready to share detailed information about your device and account. For blocked IMEIs, appeal directly to Total Wireless with proof of purchase. However, approval is not guaranteed. As a last resort, professional unlocking services may help, but understand the associated risks and potential warranty issues. With rising prepaid adoption and used device purchases, IMEI issues are becoming more common. Stay updated on Total Wireless policies as they evolve to meet FCC regulations and combat fraud.